So these are the, I don't know how you call it, beams that the rest of the machine is sitting on. At least a few of the beams. These are the 4040 and I have 4080s as well. And I want to make some holes through the middle with some slop. And then on the other side, and then a screw or a bolt goes through it, and on the other side of the bolt there will be one of those sliding nuts, and it will connect to the rest of the big extrusion thingies. But I never do aluminium, so I'm first gonna cut this without a dust thingy so I can see what's going on. I am gonna get some glasses because this stuff flies everywhere. Better safe than sorry, I guess. Yay, done. That took a while. But anyhow, one thing done, finally. So 3 big ones. So each on either end and one in the middle, and then I'll fill it up with 3 in between. And then I hope that's enough. But who knows? Yeah, I'm probably gonna drop them if I put them all together.